Silence your PC with this fan. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm about to change the way your PC breathes. I present to you the Noctua nitrogen monofluoride F14x25-G2 PWM fan. Yep, this bad boy is the superhero of cooling. If your PC sounds like a jet plane, listen up. You know how you love that Friday night silence at home? This fan brings that same tranquility to your PC. Built with Noctua's signature Sterrox material, this isn't just another pretty piece, it's a silent force wiping out chaotic noise like a ninja with a mission. The secret sauce, it's those 9 beautifully crafted blades working in perfect harmony to channel air, keeping your system cooler than a polar bear's toenails. No more overheating, folks. Ever tried to run a half marathon on a treadmill under your desk? That's how some fans feel. With Noctua's supreme flow tech, it's like trading that treadmill for a smooth plane ride, silent and efficient. It even cares about your electricity bill. Thanks to the ETA motor and smooth commutation drive, your power usage is as lean as a salad. Think you can't have power without noise? Think again. This fan delivers power-packed cooling without the headache. Ready to let this fan work its magic? Hit the link in the description below and let the Noctua nitrogen monofluoride A14x25-G2 PWM fan upgrade your PC experience to new heights of peace and performance. Trust me, your ears and PC will thank you.